What's up, guys? It is April 23rd, 2024. Just doing a quick market recap here. So we had price run up early. There was a bunch of news. Didn't really trade until this failure test here, but you could see there's a pullback here that worked out, pullback here that worked out. This was a failure test I took right around this area, and it took about 3 bars, like 3 minutes for me to get filled or for me to get out with profit. At this point, I knew there was going to be an anti pattern, an anti setting up. So I went over to the 5 minute and I just watched for the anti to set up here. And what I was doing, I was kind of triggering the limit order based on the 50% mark here, and this bar ran up pretty fast, so I moved it up to the 61.8 line, knowing that the next bar would uh, show the anti pattern, and that was this bar here. It took a while. I ended up reducing risk throughout the trade here. Let me dive back into the 1 minute really quick and show you what I went through. So while I was waiting for that, it took some time to finally like pull back down from the pullback. And after this bar was displayed, I went ahead and moved my stop to one tick above this. And then we had this bar play out. I could have moved my stop one tick over here, but I just decided that we didn't make a new leg here. So let me keep it up here for more room. And I had already reduced risk, so I wasn't going to lose as much if it went against me. And price continued to hammer this level here, so this created a ledge. We finally pulled up on this one, and at this point, I saw this bar form, and I was like, let me just move it down. So I moved it down again to one tick here. Eventually, we took profit. Coming up here, so we took profit. Let me move back really quick. We took profit. We never had the second leg measured move target for the bears here, and I saw that if I basically said in a chat room that if price pulls past this pivot, bears could be in trouble, meaning that the bulls can use their stops and run their stops to get more momentum. So I saw this as an opportunity to enter a pullback here, and I did with my stop down here. And as price went in my favor, I quickly reduced risk to one tick below here. Initially, I thought I reduced risk too fast, but it turned out to be the right move. Alternatively, I probably would move my stop up here had I let it cook a little bit more, and I would have gotten out with a small profit instead of a two tick loss. But regardless, we saw this we saw this kind of losing steam, so that's why we reduced risk really quick. A nice setup here for the bears, a little pullback here, another. I don't think this pullback really played out. I don't care how you frame it. That's probably not going to play out for you. This pullback worked for bulls, and then like the day just kind of just rounded out, and then we had another pullback here. I don't know if this one pans out for some of you, but if it did, good for you guys. But then it just kind of the day just kind of consolidated. So market's been very technical. Just look for these pullbacks and these setups, and they've been working pretty well. Good luck and good trading, guys.